Hello guys, in today's video I decided that I will show my feelings, how I feel to drive a Vespa for 200 kilometers. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to know if this is also a touring scooter or is just a urban city scooter. Why 200 kilometers? This is not really that much, but also is not that easy to drive. Anyone who drives a lot knows that 200 kilometers is not that easy. Okay, I have to say one thing, it depends on the road, therefore I want to find out. I will not drive on highways at all. I just want to make sure that the road is, let's say, extra urban, so outside of the cities, and I want to find out, and I will explain my feelings, my thoughts, and I really want to know. So therefore, let's see what happens. So guys, this is the hour and the kilometers when I start, and I will film it at the end, so you will really be sure that I was driving it and not to make just a fake review. So after 1 hour everything was perfect. I just stopped to fill up the tank and I was ready to proceed my journey. The seat was comfortable enough, nothing really hurt me. I was really super okay. After 1 hour of driving, I have to say everything is perfect and you can easily continue your journey. After 2 hours, almost 2 hours and 100 kilometers, everything is okay. My body's okay, back is okay. Right now I'm heading straight back to come before rush hour. I also took with myself back protection, but right now I don't need it, so I will just head back. I think that everything will be okay, so let's go. Guys, as you can see, I'm driving for almost 3 hours, so right now I decided I will put my kidney belt on because my back needs a little bit of support, and I will drive another hour, so I don't want to be in pain later. And I have to say that after 3 hours the seat is a little bit uncomfortable, so I also sit on a passenger part of the seat. So this is right now the only issue that I feel. My butt hurts a little bit, but I will see right now how it will go. Guys, this adventure also come to an end. 4 hours, yeah, almost without stopping, 400 kilometers. I'm tired, to be honest. I'm really tired because I had only one break of 10 minutes and everything else was like minute, 2 minutes. So I'm really tired. This kidney belt helped me a lot in the last hour. But yes, to sum up everything, I wanted to say that this seat was the biggest issue, if I can say, for me. Maybe because I didn't stop that much. Maybe I should have done it more. Maybe. But however, I think that Vespa can be used as a touring scooter. Of course it can be, but it cannot be that easy, if you ask me. Right now, when I was driving for the last 4 hours, I would say that I would do it again, but on the other hand, I also wanted to conclude everything as soon as possible. But if I would go on another trip for like let's say more days, I would make a bigger pause once per hour for 10 minutes, something like that. And right now, after 4 hours, I would really need at least 2-hour breaks for recharge my batteries, because I am visibly tired. But after all, I would say that this scooter can be also used as a touring scooter. Maybe it's not that suitable like other touring bikes, but after all, I would give it 3 out of 5 stars for rating for touring, which is, I think, very well. So like I said, the seat for me, it's the biggest problem. Maybe it could be a little more comfortable, but on the other hand, the ride was really okay. I enjoyed almost every minute of it, but to be honest, last 15 minutes was a tough one for me, because even a jacket, it has its weight, and my shoulders, I started to feel them. It started to become a little bit painful for me, but yeah, it's pretty much normal. So to conclude, I would go even on a much longer trips. I would say 300 kilometers in a day is possible, but with much bigger breaks, and to stop a little bit, to rest your legs, to rest your back, shoulders, and of course your head. So yeah, I think it would work even for touring. See you in another video. Bye.